Hi there, students. Challenged. Okay, challenged is a word that means presented with difficulties doing something. But this word challenged is the new politically correct euphemism for handicapped. Nowadays, the word handicapped is more offensive. And we use this word challenged with many different things. So, for example, somebody who is mentally challenged, they're not very clever. Yeah, he's cerebrally challenged, follically challenged, follicles from the head. He's bald. He doesn't have any hair. Okay, we use this phrase challenged in all sorts of ways. Her boyfriend is aesthetically challenged. He's really rather ugly. He doesn't look very nice. I think many politicians are ethically challenged. Yeah, dishonest, corrupt, yeah, unethical. I think this guy is a bit gravitationally challenged. He's rather fat. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Don't get too close to him. He's hygienically challenged. Phew, he smells. Yeah, he doesn't wash. So we use this word challenged in all sorts of ways to say that somebody's not very good at something. He's a member of the Culinarily challenged. He's a rotten cook. Yeah. Okay. So this challenged. He's not good at it. Okay. Yes, he's linguistically challenged. He doesn't express himself very well. Intellectually challenged. Rather stupid. Okay. So we're using this word challenged with all sorts of nouns or adjectives to say they're handicapped, they're not very good at it, they have a problem with this. Okay, notice all of these phrases are informal. I'd probably give them all something like 3.5 informality. I'm not sure I would use them in a semi-formal, in anything but an informal conversation. I guess you might just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, but certainly no more. Okay, so various adverbs to make adjectives. Vertically challenged. They're mocking. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Challenged as an idiom, as a euphemism, I mean.